Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to connect Google Docs to Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Google Docs document. So after you open up your Google Docs document, just head over here to the extensions option and click here and just go here to add-ons and click on get add-ons. So after you click, just wait for it to load up. And here on the search option, type Canva and then just click here on Canva. So in order to add Canva in Google Docs, you need to click here to the install option and your Canva will be added with Google Docs automatically. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.